Walk off your cruise ship and into this. No excursion, no taxi, no tour guide, just you and one of the most beautiful cities in the Caribbean. I am talking about Curacao, and everything I am about to show you was walking distance from the ship. If you have a cruise stop in Curacao, save this video right now. You are going to need it. I had been here before. I knew what was waiting for me. And this time, I knew exactly where I wanted to go. First, Rif Fort. History, architecture, character. This 19th century fort sits right at the entrance to the harbor. Every step through it feels like walking through centuries. But I was not stopping there, because just ahead, the Queen Emma Bridge. Also known, and I love this, the Swinging Old Lady, a floating pontoon bridge built in 1888 that still swings open manually today to let ships pass through the harbor. I have seen a lot of bridges. This one moves, and the views from the middle, looking out at that harbor on both sides, absolutely breathtaking. Then you reach the other side, and Handelskade stops you completely in your tracks. I am going to try to describe this, but honestly, you have to see it. Dutch colonial buildings, lined along the waterfront. Now, paint every single one. A different color: bright yellow, coral orange, soft pink, sky blue, terracotta, mint green. The most photographed waterfront in the entire Caribbean. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, same category as the Great Wall of China and the Taj Mahal. I just stood there, taking it all in. And then the streets of Punda started surprising me. Because the art, I am not just talking murals, I am talking sculptures, right there, in the open air. Birds, beautifully crafted, standing proud, like they own the city. And then, a cow. A magnificent painted cow, right there, in the middle of it all. Every corner, something worth stopping for. Every turn, a surprise. Then, the Dushi Lady statue. Dushi means sweet or beloved in Papiamento, the local language of Curacao. Seeing her there, surrounded by all that color and life, felt like the island itself was welcoming me personally. The Curacao signs, bold, colorful, instantly recognizable. The perfect moment to stop and feel exactly where you are. And then the floating market. Venezuelan merchants sailing their boats across to Curacao, loaded with fresh tropical fruit, vegetables, fish, selling directly from their boats, right there on the waterfront, happening this way for generations. You cannot manufacture this. You cannot replicate it. It only exists here. Rif Fort, the Swinging Old Lady, Handelskade, the sculptures, the Dushi Lady, the floating market, all of it, right there, from the ship. This walk is a masterpiece. And if you have a cruise stop in Curacao, do not spend your day on a ship excursion. Walk off that ship, cross the Swinging Old Lady, stand in front of Handelskade, save this video before you go, and follow for more cruise tips you will not find anywhere else. Because what Curacao is unforgettable.